Doesn't act weird again. Let's see. All right, good. Good morning. So your name is Sahil, right? Yeah, Sahil. I think a while back you were asking about private lessons. Uh, did you want to do that, or what happened with that? Maybe I'm not remembering correctly. Good morning, Vanessa. All right, you guys from class last night. You remember what you're going to work on today? Matching your risk, appropriately matching your risk to your trades. All right. I'm going to refresh the market chameleon now. 8 o'clock news. Sometimes news reports coming out at 9 o'clock, rather. Something else might be popping here. Let's see. Orgs. ORGS. Was at 4.5. Hit 6 this morning. All right, that's got potential. Could be just starting. V-Ray. Datadog. Oh, okay. Datadog is up. Let's take a look. Closed at 71 and is now at 79. Okay, good. That could be another make a dip buy. So I'll put that up there with the others. And Peloton is up like 10 points. So we might have to revisit our swing trade on that. GoPro I have up right here. Closed at 10.2 yesterday. Hit almost 12. So that's about a 20% gain. So there may be an options play on GoPro today or a stock play shares. And Beyond Meat was at 119 yesterday and is now at 109. So it's dropped 10 points, about 10%, which is a lot for that level of stock. And so that might be something we short today with puts. Check percent for a bleeder, PCT. Yeah, looks great. Yesterday we did, we saw Nimrod, MMRD, drop like this all day. Wow, this was at 25 just the day before yesterday. And now it's at 13. PCT. Isn't that an ETF? I think PCT is an ETF. Let me see. No, Pure Cycle Technologies. Okay. Yeah, that's a breakdown. That's the first red breakdown in PCT since December, since it came back to life. So it's dead now. It's over. You should wait on Ethereum Classic for a pullback. DraftKings up a little bit this morning in pre-market, but Roku clearly up tons. Hit a low yesterday of 270, and it is now at 316. iBio may present a momentum breakout trade. Yes, gappers, yes. That would be Roku. It looks like Datadog with a little bit of a gap. And Beyond Meat, GoPro. These are the big ones so far. This trading platform is Thinkorswim. All right. NEO in a downtrend. Somebody was asking about, what was it? You were just asking about, oh, okay, Doge. Let me take a look. Let me get my morning update on Doge. All right, Doge is at 0.6, so yeah. Everybody's pretty much thinking we're going to get to about $1 by this weekend. I think that after it gets pumped on Saturday Night Live, and then blasts all over the news, you think Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, might be where we see the top valuation on Doge. Rommel says, if I hear Doge one more time. All right, refreshing the market chameleon. Let's see what else we got here. CMMB. Oh, on very little volume. No. Roku's on pretty heavy volume. Traded 240,000 shares pre-market already at $315. So that's $75 million already in pre-market. That's pretty good. Plug, same as NEO. It's in a downtrend. You don't want that. Go with something that's in an uptrend. What's the latest uptrend stock we were recommending? Levi's? Yeah, go with Levi's. Like, wow. Do I stream every single day live on Discord? Yes. Click the link in my bio. Come join us now. We'll be trading the morning session live. Do I ever use the 3-bar play in the morning to tell what will be bleeding and what will be running? That's not what informs me what will be bleeding and what will be running, Alvi. But that can be a good indication as to which direction something's going to go in. Are you talking about like a 5-minute 3-bar breakout? Davin, let's see. Palantir. Well, it's not that I don't like Palantir, but I get what you mean. I think Palantir is great. I just don't think that it's going to be, something that's going up financially for a long time. And so I'd like to grab it somewhere between $10 and $7. It's in a downtrend, and yesterday it broke down even further. So that's bad for Palantir, and it should now drop precipitously much more. It's at 20, and I think that getting down to about $14 in the next this month probably is pretty much in the cards. Yeah. So I'll eventually get it. When it's back down, when it's touching 11. I'll start to nibble. I'll get a spread somewhere in there between 11 and 7, maybe in the summer or later this year. LEDs? No, you want to just be day trading LEDs. You don't want to be holding that. You hold that and you're going to like lose 30% overnight one of these days. ETC Classic, wait for the pullback. Do I buy pre-market or wait for the opening bell? Pretty much I wait for the opening bell. Some days we'll have 10 prospects on the horizon, right? And they're all making great moves pre-market. And we think, oh, this one looks like the one that's going to really run today. And then it turns out to be some underdog, some other thing that pre-market we were watching takes off, and the other ones all crap out. So we wait until the opening bell and we let it play out for a little bit, for a few minutes. We are still holding skills. This was our entry, roughly right where we're at right now. So we have to see if it takes off or if it doesn't. It's a good risk reward right here. I like the ARCs, but let me take a look. I haven't taken a look at them for a few months because I wanted them to depreciate. Let's see. ARC K. Yeah, ARC K not ready for a buy yet. ARC F, same problem. ARC G, same problem. Then you have ARC X, which hasn't taken off yet either. And I'm missing one. I did ARC F. Missing one of the ARCs. ARC W. Yep, they're all in broken down trends right now. So they're not at good points yet. Could I teach you? What was the question? Could I teach you? Yes, absolutely. I do that. Yes, just send me a private message, Stefan. Yes, you should sell what you have at a loss. Yes. And then take that money and put it on something else that will make you money back. Like, you've lost that money. It's not going to magically grow back. It has to be in something good. So selling it just means it converts it to cash. You're not really selling at a loss. You're merely converting to cash the money you have. You no longer have the money you used to have. You now have the money you have. convert it to cash and go buy something else that goes up. That's how you got to think of it. What should you invest $50 in? Sending me a private message and saving that $50 and ask me that over a private message. Should I invest in iBio with the new vaccine? No. iBio is pretty rocky, but iBio today may pop over 2.2, so it might be a good day trade, but not anything you want to hold. What was this thing about SafeMoon? Is SafeMoon a good investment? No. No. It's just hype. It is not a good investment. Probably the best it gets in crypto is Bitcoin or Ethereum as far as safety. And those are not exactly what people probably consider too safe. But no one ever thinks of gold as very safe either. I mean, yeah, TikTok trolls. But, it's just a currency. Your college won't let you use Bloomberg Terminal often. What an interesting question. College won't let me use Bloomberg Terminal often. Well, there's other platforms you can use. I use Thinkorswim, for example, and definitely stay in college. Keep working on that. Check out PYR. All right. Nope, that doesn't look good. How do I feel about Doge going to $1? Do I like men? Men are cool. Do you need $25,000 to day trade on Thinkorswim? No, but it's a good idea. Somebody just said SafeMoon is solid. How do you think it's not? All right, good argument. Good argument. I'm going to throw all my money in it now. Do I use Pitchforks or Gancycle? Pitchforks a little bit, but not really Gancycle, no. What do you think about VeChain? Very good. I think it's in a cycle of uptrending right now. Yeah, I definitely do like Playboy for longer play. Let's see. It's at 48 today. No actual move, but it has been moving. We're going to identify runners at the open. 11 minutes until the market opens. On the horizon today, we've got Roku. It's already at 317, 318 as I speak. And it was at 270 yesterday. And we're also taking a look at GoPro. And we've got a bunch of other things on the radar here. Datadog. Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is down significantly, so we may play puts on that. Yeah, Orgs is up right here, Nicholas. Bottom middle chart. So we'll see if that provides a breakout trade. I'll put that right up here so I don't miss it. guys out there in TikTok land, go ahead and click the link in my bio to come join our Discord and trade live with us this morning session. How long before we can expect this bubble to pop? Yeah, we were talking about that a little bit last night. Well, we're reflating the economy right now, so this could go on for a year. The stocks that I recommend, are they day trades? Mostly in the morning session here, we're trying to figure out what's going to create an excellent opening market day trade. Yes. But also throughout the day, we identify good swing trade stocks. And I even mentioned one just earlier, Levi. Levi is trending. Any good mid to long term plays? Medium term, that one that I just mentioned, Levi. Somebody says, give me a stock to buy. I have $300. Levi. Levi. Yes, we already discussed Doge many times. Doge, probably after the hype on Saturday, will be all over the news. And so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that's when you're probably looking to get out. Do I think iBio will go to 2? Where is iBio? It's already at 1. It's already at 2. What do I think of Kin? Kin. Nothing good there. Stay away from it. That's a funny question. If you had $2 billion, what would I invest in? $2 billion specifically. I don't know. That's a fun question. It's definitely a fun question, but I'd have to think about that later. Right now, we've got 8 minutes until the market opens, so we got to figure out what we got to invest our money in right away for a day trade this morning. I love that question. Thank you. Where do I buy my securities? I have accounts. Many different brokerages, but I day trade and I trade on Thinkorswim, and then I swing trade mostly at Fidelity. Why are TikTok investors so degenerate? It's not just that. It's that people who are like lazy, which are most human beings in the beginning of their life before they have to provide for a wife or a significant other or children, you're basically lazier in the beginning of your life, especially when you're a kid and you're completely dependent, right? Before you become independent, that whole journey, and then ultimately have to take care of other people, you're basically looking for ways in which you don't have to work, and yet possibly you could make millions on some kind of a get rich quick scheme. So that's basically why there's the attraction to get rich quick schemes. It's lazy people. Lazy people are interested, lazy, dependent people not interested in getting off their ass in life and making some real money are trying to find that little shiny thing that they can just like blow up to $1 million, and then somehow magically they'll be bright enough to stop there, retire for the rest of their life supposedly, and then never have to work for the rest of their entire lives, and they can be lazy bums. So that's why so many people on TikTok are degenerates, because they're young. They haven't learned how to be independent yet, let alone take care of other people, have responsibilities in life, and understand how to actually get off their ass and make money. Mic drop. Hey, he asked. What do I think of Safe Star? Let's see. I'll take a little look at that. Safe Star. Safe Star looks like it's incrementally increasing, but very slowly. Not seeing a ton of potential in it. Looks like pure hype. All right, we got 4 minutes to the open, and you guys need to click the link in my bio and come join our group to live trade the morning session this morning. In 4 minutes, this TikTok stream will be done, and we'll be live trading the morning session in the Discord with all of our members. And we are going after Roku like a lion. We're going to get on this Roku train, and we're also going after Beyond Meat this morning. And we're possibly going to be momentum breakout trading iBio and Orgs and GoPro. These are the hottest movers right now on the radar. So make sure you click the link in my bio and come join our trading community. And you can trade the morning session with us and get on this and make thousands of dollars. Really, it's that easy with when it comes to these stocks like Roku and Beyond Meat. You can get an option for a couple $100 and be out in 30 minutes of that position with a couple $1,000. Also, when you join the community, we have options, trade alerts, and other traders like myself guiding you in other stock picks throughout the day, including penny stock shorting, spread trading, playing the wheel, crypto. So we have a whole bunch of alerts for you to take advantage of. Just click the link in my bio to come and join our trading community. All right, we're getting ready. 3 minutes to the market open, and we're getting ready to, you guys need to prepare to grab Roku calls at the point in which we have a dip. It could be in 10 minutes in, it could be an hour in to the market. We shall see. And then as far as Beyond Meat goes, we'll be playing puts. So we'll be looking for the same thing there, a turnaround after pulling up, and then we'll get in on the way down. Yeah, Roku, R-O-K-U. Beyond Meat is B-Y-N-D. Thank you very much. Yeah. The link doesn't work. I think you guys sometimes can overload it. Try it again. Okay, we have definitely confirmation that the link works. Lots and lots of people clicking through the link and coming to join the group to day trade this morning with us, to trade with our community. But sometimes it gets overloaded, so just click it again. Try it again. It's saying that the link is expired. You know, that's interesting because some people say that, and yet other people don't get that message. Try refresh. Oh, maybe you've already clicked the link before, and somehow it knows that. I don't know why it does that. Someone else here says, worked for me, no problem with the link. See? So I don't know what the rhyme or reason behind that is, but it's certainly not our fault. It's something with the Discord link methodology. No, Roku's not on Binance. Roku will be on typical brokerages like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Robinhood, Webull, those kinds of platforms. All right, we got 30 seconds until the open. High frequency traders, get ready on iBio and orgs. You're looking for that pre-market breakout. Thank you very much, everybody on TikTok. Click the link in my bio to come day trade with us. And don't forget to follow me as we're doing this every day. All right, market is open. All right, Roku's now at 324. My gosh. You're going to have to wait for it to pull back. There will be a pullback. And we're going to be doing the same with Beyond Meat, except puts and Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is BYND. That's fine, Alvy. Yeah, absolutely. And with the swing on Levi, make sure you buy an in the money option, not out of the money.